You guys fell. Hello guys, notice anything new? It has glasses that I can actually see out of. Put those down for a minute. I want to show you guys how it's almost like a knockoff version. It uses another Mac product. Knockoff Max Fix Plus, if you will. I have to clean the top of that right now, and I'm being lazy, so oops. And I have no nails. This is a very sad day. So this is just plain water that's in here. It's the same container and everything. And then I'm going to use, it's just like a loose highlight, if you will. I found out that Wet n Wild does in fact have one. Why do I always start filming when I really have to pee? I don't get this. Just be careful with this because it tends to come out very, very quickly. Don't know if you guys can see all that. All of that's the highlighter at the top. And then you want something, obviously, that you can measure with usually. I'm too lazy to find the tool that I had before, so I'm just going to use the end of one of my microblade. Yeah, that helps, Taylor. My microblade for my eyebrows. But yes, I do microblade my eyebrows when I actually sit down to take the time, like I did, to do it. But there's a very particular way that I want them done, and nobody else is really willing to do it the way I want it done, so I am just to the point where I don't even care anymore. This is gonna float at the top first. It will sink down, if that makes any sense. I haven't slept in 2 days, okay? I'm tired. I'm sitting here watching Alaska State Troopers and waiting for hubby to wake up. I tend to do my videos more when he's asleep so I don't disrupt him. Avoid spilling it on yourself like I just did. Oh my god. Here, Maddie, have some highlight. She needs to glow too. Okay, now that we've highlighter all over. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it's more of like a natural highlight, which I don't know. I tend to go for it sometimes. I don't know. That little ball that's in the Max Fix Plus is still at the bottom. There's still going to be a lot of powder at the top. That sounds so wrong, Taylor. Twist your cap back on. Lock it shut. It's going to look pretty nasty and disgusting at first, but give it a good shake. See, and you can see that small little ball is still there. I have a black testing puppy down here. What the hell? Work. I don't want it to look too oily, because if you put too much, you can end up making it look very, very oily, and that's not what I want. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe. Don't worry, my trash can has a clean bag in it. There's nothing in it right now. Yeah, that's how I do that. I kept getting questions about it in my real life, and I'm like, you know what? I just make videos now, and that way people can also enjoy it. I have a pounding headache. The next video is going to be medically related, so if you guys are not interested, don't watch it. It's going to be a wheelchair update, but this has been a godsend. Love that. I want to get the Wet n Wild one, and I plan to do a full face using Wet n Wild products. If there's any other brand that you guys want me to do, comment down below. You know the routine. I don't tell you to comment down below for no reason. If I want you to comment, it's because I want your genuine opinion. Like, you know, my hair is in a long ass braid today. And to answer your next question, no, I don't wear hair extensions. Yes, this is my natural hair. It is very real. It is very attached to my head. Okay? And I'm assuming you guys are going to want to see this. Really no difference, but it looks like you have healthy skin. For someone like myself who doesn't and is struggling to drink water, it's really not that fun. Love you guys. I hope you guys are having a good day. Okay, bye.